Donald Trump just held a disastrous late night press conference on Saturday as part of his Kennedy Center honors award ceremony where he's giving awards to like Sylvester Stallone and people like that. It's so odd, but this is what he was doing. He was just making noises like ping, 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 ping. Here, play this clip.
Ping, 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 ping. Every ball right next to all this guy. Oh.
And the press conference got even more bizarre after going ping, 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 ping. He started talking about how he loves to do the tile work at the White House and how President Truman did the original tiles in the Lincoln bedroom and those tiles are bad, but Trump's really focused on the tile work in the White House now. Here, play this clip.
For the first 4 years, I was the hunted. So I didn't have a lot of time to fix up the floors, to redo the Lincoln bathroom. I took a little heat. It was the worst job. It was done in many years ago. It was done during actually the Truman administration with very cheap green tile. That was in Lincoln. Now we have it done in beautiful, beautiful Paradiso marble. It's all book matched. It's so beautiful. And people said, oh, why is he wasting time? That's not wasting time. That's saving our heritage. You know, many, many things like that. It's saving the heritage of this country. And it's so
like 60%, 70%. No one wants to go to this ridiculous clown show. And he's like, they're hot. You know who else is hot? The Supreme Court is hot. And you know who else is hot? The NFL. The NFL is hot. The U.S. Senate is hot. What are you doing? What are you talking about? What you're just saying things that you believe are randomly hot? Like, is that where your mind is going? Here, play this clip.
A very special thanks as well to our terrific Kennedy Center Board of Trustees, along with Executive Director Rick Grinnell. The Board of Trustees has been amazing. It's got to be the hottest board, or I don't know, the Supreme Court is pretty hot. I would say the Supreme Court, the U.S. Senate, the NFL Owners Committee, I think that's pretty good too. But I think the board of the Kennedy Center is turning out to be, we have so many people in line, and I have so many enemies now because they want to be.
Then he talks about Gary Player, a golfer, and he says, we played the other day and he's still a great golfer. This is really addressing what the American people are going through, Donald. Here, play this clip.
Have spent their lives making the most of their incredible God-given talents. They have talent. They have talent. The great Gary Player, he hits shots. He's 90 years old, still plays good. He shot a 70 with me the other day. He's 90. He played pretty far back, too. He's incredible. You think Biden could do that? I don't think so. You can't lift the club. But Gary was demonstrating shots, and one guy was having a very hard time, couldn't get out of a sand trap. Gary's known as the greatest sand player, #1 ever.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we talk about a big movement that everyone is watching. Former President Donald Trump spoke at a late night event, but something very unusual happened. Many people say Trump lost control on live TV. The clip went viral. People in the USA are talking about it everywhere on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and TV. So today we explain everything. So let's start. The event start. The event looked normal in the beginning. Trump walked on stage. The crowd was cheering. People were excited to hear him speak. But from the first minute, Trump looked different. He looked angry. His voice was louder than usual. He looked like he had something heavy on his mind. He started talking about the media. He said the media lies about him. He said they tweet his word and try to destroy him. The crowd shouted and clapped, but Trump did not calm down. He kept talking with strong emotions. Trump attacked his enemies. Trump then started attacking his political opinion. He talked about Democrats. He said they are running the country. He said they are weak on borders, crimes, and the economy. Then he attacked some Republicans too. He said some Republicans betrayed him. He said they did not support him when he needed them. His voice got louder. His face looked serious and stressed. People in the room could feel the tension. The viral moment. In the middle of the speech, something big happened. Trump suddenly changed his tone. He started talking about investigations and court case. He said he is being targeted unfairly. He said the government want to silence him. He said he is a victim. Then he hit the podiums with his hand. Then he hit the podiums with his hand. His voice got very loud. He looked angry and few started. This moment went viral on social media. Millions of people saw the clip. Some people said he lost control, others said he was just emotional, but everyone agreed on one thing, it was a very tension moment. Warning to America. After shouting, Trump looked directly into the crowd. He warned America that the country is in danger. He said freedom is at risk. He said the government want too much control. He took the crowd. We must win. If we lose, America will change forever. The people in the room were silent for a moment. People looked worried, people looked inspired. It was a very serious moment. Media reaction. After the event ended, USA news channels start talking about it. Every channel had the same clip playing. Reporters said Trump looked stressed. Said he looked unstable. Some said this was a normal behavior. Political experts said this movement could change the election. Spotters say the media is executing. Creators said Trump is losing control. Social media was full of comments. Some spotted him, some attacked him. Everyone was talking. What people the room say? People who were at the event said the energy felt strange. They said Trump looked angry and emotional. Some supporters say they felt raw, worried for him. They felt worried for him. Some said he looked tired. Others said he looked like he was under pressure. But many people still supported him. They cheered loudly. They said Trump is fighting for them. Impact on America. This moment is important because America is very divided. Half of the country support Trump, half of the country does not. The late night movement made the divide even bigger. Supporters become more loyal, criticized, become more angry. The future of USA politics is now more confusing than ever. After the event, after the event, Trump spoke at other reels, but the viral clips followed him everywhere. New channel kept talking about it. Politics reacted to it. People online made memes, edits, and commentary. Some said Trump looked strong. Some said he looked weak. Some said he looked stressed. But one thing is true, the movement did not disappear, is stay stay trending for many days. And that is the full story of Trump late night event. A movement that shocked many people, a movement that went viral, a movement that shows how emotional and intense America politics has become. Thank you for watching my video.